Good morning. Welcome to Tuesday, April 7th, 2020. It's a day six here at Shope University. Not much on the agenda for today. There was no sporting events last night. Everything was called off due to rain in the area. And today we're going to be working on volume. And I'll tell you, kind of sore. I did some yard work again yesterday, finished the raking. I fixed part of my fence out back and I moved some stuff around in the garage. Got my deck furniture out on the deck and honestly, kind of sore. Apparently, I haven't been doing much exercise, but it was good to get out again. And hopefully, we can get out and work a little bit on that fence again today and fix the remaining portion of it. But for today, for math, there's not going to be an exit ticket. We're going to concentrate on Khan Academy today. Some feedback is we're struggling a little bit with this volume stuff. So we're going to spend today and a little bit of tomorrow doing more volume things. Keep in mind when you're trying to find volume, you're trying to find how much stuff can fit inside basically a container. And the containers we're working with right now basically have rectangular or triangular portions to them. And so basically, what you're using to find the area of anything rectangular is volume is length times width times height. And you recognize the length times width is basically how you find area. So, in any problem, if they give you three dimensions and they want the volume, you want to find the length, the width, and the height and multiply them together. But if they give you the area of something, they're basically giving you like the bottom floor. So you know what the bottom floor is, the length and the width. Now you just have to see how many times it stacks up to get to the top. That's why you multiply it by the height. So volume is length times width times height, or volume is area times height. Those are the ways you find anything rectangular, like a rectangular prism. Okay, other things. Uh, when you are trying to solve. Make sure when you're doing anything with a fraction, when you multiply fractions, you take like 3.5, and you can't multiply 3.5 times 2 2/3. You have to do something first. You take your 3.5, which is a mixed number, and you have to make it an improper fraction. So the 3.5, the 3 times the denominator of 2 gives you 6 plus the numerator of 1. So 3.5 is 7/2. And you would multiply the improper fractions like that. So keep that in mind as you're working through the problems. Today in Khan Academy, we're going to be finding volume again using fractions. So use your formulas, use the improper fractions for anything that you have. And we're also going to be using word problems. So you're going to be asked to find the volume, but they usually are probably going to give you one more piece of information to do something with to find it. So I strongly recommend that you write the problem down and keep track of what's the length, width, height, and volume and what's going on in the problem. When you're doing these problems, uh, usually have 4 or 5 problems. Some of us are taking like 3 or 4 minutes to do 4 or 5 problems. There's no way you can do these problems very good in that amount of time. You should write the problem down, go over it, go step by step through it until you get a correct answer. And if you happen not to get a correct answer, you can click on hint, and Khan Academy will give you a hint as how to do the problem, or click on the video and it'll give you a little video to watch to help you with the problem. I don't think we're all taking advantage of these things. Also, with a Khan Academy video, this is basically your teacher. This is me sitting in front of the room telling you how to do these things every day. And you've got to listen to the video from start to finish. You can't ignore the video and expect to learn how to do new things. You can't just go directly to the exit ticket and start pounding out answers because you don't have the background in it yet. So you need to watch these Khan Academy videos and put a little extra effort into writing them down with a piece of paper and a pencil and solving them, and not just turning in things as quickly as you can. It Right now you are basically on your own and you have to teach yourself how to learn. Unfortunately, that's the case right now, and you are responsible for your education and you have to be the one that shows the initiative in how to learn. I know you can do it. I've seen some good results from some people, and we're going to keep working on this going forward. So today, all you have to do in Khan Academy is watch 2 videos, do 2 sets of problems. In addition to that, there's no exit ticket today, but I hope we get on iReady. I think 3 people have been on iReady, and I believe Peyton has already got his minutes done for the week. It's either Peyton or Brody, and which is excellent. So keep working on that. On Thursday, we're going to be starting something new, surface area, and our student teacher, Miss Libertor, will be teaching that lesson. She will be providing the slides. So please work hard for her on Thursday. I'll be checking in with you also on Thursday. And if you see any messages from her today, and if she's asking you for help, make sure you get any help you can from her. And if you would like help from her instead of me, that's fine. Just message her. And if you don't know how to get a hold of her, she posted yesterday on there asking if anyone needed any help. And just click on that, and you can find her. Or if you see the people in the Google Classroom, she's listed in there too as one of the teachers. So make sure you work hard today. Get outside, have some exercise. It is a PE day for people in my homeroom. And if you have any questions, as always, get a hold of me. Goodbye.